Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. First test with my highly upgraded Redcat Ascent Apex. You've seen the video, but I'll put it up here if you want to watch it of all the stuff I put into it. But first test on some real rock, so let's get her going. All right. No problem there. Oh! Try that gap again, guys. That was not a good show in there. Oh, I did the same thing. One more. Oh, I think we got it this time. If we can get off this hang up. And up we go. Let me see how steep that is. Pretty good. And over without tipping. See how well she side hills. Really good. There we go. Slipping on some grass, loose dirt, so I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get up this or not. There we go, I got to punch it a little bit. Get her over to the other side. Oh, easy peasy. And then we're gonna go up here. And you guys might recognize the next thing. We tried this with the some of the other CX24s about a year ago. And this was such a fun climb, so let's see. Here we go. Uh-oh. Gotta drop that left tire. No. Alright. Try a different route. Oh, come on. I thought this truck was gonna be perfect for this rock. But damn. Let's try this. it's pulling to the left, which is not good at all. And we don't want any of the tires to lift. And again, now it's coming. Nope, I don't think it's gonna make it up this hill. Next, we'll try this. I thought this truck was gonna have more potential than what it's doing. Again. All right, one last time. We're gonna go up the route. There we go. Get a lot more traction on the huge root. And there we go. We're up. And then we're gonna see if we can get up this. Whoop, there we go. It did that pretty good. Nope. Nope. All right, another steep section. Try it again. I don't know what's going on with the front tire just lifting like that. It's just not what I want. I'm eventually going to get the stiletto set up. Oh! All right, last obstacle I'm gonna try, and then we're gonna call it quits for today. It's been a good crawl. Learned a lot about this truck and what I need to work on to get it dialed in. But still a pretty good truck. I still like it. Don't do it. Don't fall. Okay, wrecked the steering a little bit. There we go. Don't do it. Just get up it. Come on, front tire. Just drop. There we go. There we go. That's a cool little climb right there. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for the Redcat Apex. Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are, how I can improve it. I probably am gonna get the stiletto upgrade kit once it gets back in stock. But again, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching.